Let me walk you through a review strategy that works for any type of business. First, diversify your review platforms. Different AI systems weight different platforms. Google Reviews is cited heavily across all AI platforms. Trustpilot is important for e-commerce and professional services. TripAdvisor matters enormously for hospitality and restaurants. G2 and Capterra carry weight for software companies. Do not put all your reviews in one place. Spread them because AI pulls from multiple sources. Second, make the ask easy. Send a direct link to your review page in every follow-up message. Remove friction. The harder you make it to leave a review, the fewer you will get. Third, brief your team. Anyone in your business who has customer contact should know how to ask for reviews. Not in an aggressive way, just naturally, after a successful interaction. Fourth, track your reviews as a metric, not just your star rating. Track contextual coverage. What specific services or outcomes are being mentioned? What is not being mentioned? The gaps tell you what to ask for. New AEO and GEO lesson daily catch up in the playlist. Subscribe for daily updates.